Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, glad you found me. The potatoes I had planted in the pots and in the bags, a couple of them were ready to be turned out and see what was in the containers, and so not very much, but all the varieties. So these ones were Mr. Lincoln's potatoes. This was a gold potato, the red ones, and the purple or amethyst ones. So the purple ones seem to have done the best, although got a couple of fairly decent sized red ones in here. So I will continue this video as I dump out the rest of the bags. The other containers are still growing, so I don't want to pull them until it's time. Anyway, see you in the next part of the video, and we'll find out how many days it is from today, the 6th of September. First part of the harvest is 4 pounds. These are the Lincoln potatoes. First bag of those. Now these, I believe, are the amethyst ones. Yeah. Little purple ones. It's very different than being in North Carolina. Little tiny ones. The next bag. Check on Barley because he wandered to the other side of the yard. Okay. I'm not sure. These might be more of Mr. Lincoln's, or these might be the Red Norlands. Maybe I didn't name it here. Lincoln's. There's some more. Easier for me to just dump this in here. See? Okay. Whew. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can turn the camera. It's tricky and balanced here on a log. Looking pretty good. About to knock everything over. Yep, here you go. All right, let me just bring you over here. I'll do some editing to get out all the boring parts. That might have been it for that bag. So we'll spread them out and see if I can weigh them and tell you what the total is here. I did the smaller pots the other day, so we'll add this to those. See what we got. But my thought was this is a fairly tall green planter, and there's still time to do beets, so I think that's what's going to go in here. All right, let me get these potatoes spread out and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, it looks like 11 pounds. So there they are. They just need to air out today and store them tomorrow, but I'll lay them out here so you can see them better. Okay, there's the 11 pounds of potatoes. So mostly Mr. Lincoln's, a few store russet ones, and very few purples. I'm guessing if I want to do purples again next year, I will have to purchase some, because this really isn't enough to save for seed potato, although these ones now are getting acclimated to being here in New Mexico, so there's that. Anyway, I'll add the other potatoes that I did the other day to these and I'll show you the results. Okay, just washed the bags out and I'm truly grateful for the amount of potatoes we received. Gonna try another location with maybe a little bit more sun next year, and possibly do something to shade the bags. Since they're dark colored, they would overheat, which is why I had put them off next to the house where they were getting sun for part of the day, but not the whole day. So I do not know if that contributed to the lesser amount or if it's just growing potatoes in bags. My first experiment. Anyway, see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. The pinon pine is dropping its seeds, and I don't know who that is yet, but whoever it is, they just picked up a nut. Don't know if they're gonna hide it in the bluebird house? Maybe. I don't know what kind of bird that is.